Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the second video of our series where we are going to build this coffee shop landing page. And in the previous video, we have designed this uh, header section. And after that, and today we are going to design this announcement section. We will call this announcement section. And there is a lot of work that we need to do in this header section, like hover effect, and we also need to change this background color and some font family, and we also new remove these borders which are looking so ugly right now. So currently we will add this announcement section, and let's see after that we can what we can do. Okay, so come here, coffee shop, and here is our code base, and this is our index.html. All right, so currently maximize this, and so the work of header has been completed. So let's minimize this, and now we will create a new section that will be announcement section. So div dot announcement. Announcement section is basically like if you notice that most of the sites are using this announcement section, like facial covering are now optional in store following CDC guidelines, except like this thing. So right now corona, because of corona, they are showing most of the website are showing this type of warning, and these warning change as per the situations. So we are going to implement this. So come in our code base, and in our announcement section we have some text. So div dot, let's say, text, and here we will be writing our warning. So copy this warning from here, and paste here. Okay, so this is the warning, and let's save this and see what happened. Come here. Okay, this is the warning. Now if I inspect this and select this one, so I have to provide this the length. So before providing text, the height and width, we have to provide this announcement, the height and width. So width will be basically the width of our header section. So let's see how much width our header section have. So header section basically don't have any width, but the header container have a width of 1200 pixel. So we will provide the same to here announcement section. So width will be 1200 pixel. All right. Now height will be 120 pixel, and background color will be background color. So here we will providing background color. So let's see what this color is. So I have a Chrome extension which is color pick eyedropper. So currently it's unable to pick this color. Okay, so we can check the color from inspecting this site. So select this one, and we have this background color of hashtag, this one. So close this and to our code. So right now we are working on our inspector. So here provide background color, paste this. Okay, so this is the background color, and right now this is the width I think is very small. So if I zoom out this, okay, the width is perfect, but this is not in the center basically. So if I zoom out, you can see that this goes to the left side. So we have to provide margin on the left and right side. And on the top, we don't need any margin. So we can do something like this. Like let's say click here and margin will be 0. 0 means so the first margin is vertical. So the vertical top and bottom margin will be 0 and the left and right margin will be auto. Okay. Now if I zoom out this, so as you can see, this is in parallel to this header container, right? So basically I don't remove this border because this helps a lot for debugging our website. Okay, so move this to 100% and okay, so it's 100%. Now come here and I think I should increase this height. If I go here, so if you see, they have the same, they have this width of the same the header container have. So we have to do provide something like this. So I have made a mistake here. So I will remove this width section and I will put this text inside another container which will be uh, which will have margin as per this header container. Okay, so currently copy all these CSS inside our code. So let's make a new file in our assets styles, which will be main.css, and link this to our index.html. Link, where is this CSS? Assets style main.css. Remove this all and cut from main.css. So right now I have added this CSS into my code of main.css. Now I will put this text section inside a container which will be announcement.container, or I can use this text section like let's say select this text section dot announcement dot text, and this will have margin 0 auto. Okay, if I save this, okay, currently this is not working. Let's see what's the problem. Okay, now we have to put this inside a span tab. So span and cut all the text from here and paste here. All right, save this and let's provide this a border. So border will be 2 pixel solid Okay, we have to provide this length. So width, sorry, width. So width will be, let's say, 1200 pixel pixel. All right. So as you can see, this has been come to center, and we also need to make it come in the. We want to center it vertically. So align item center. Save this, and to make it center vertically, we have to use like something called display flex. Okay, let's see what's the problem. Okay, I have to use this display tag. Let's cut this from here and use this display text here. Sorry, display flex here. Save this, and now align item center will also come here. All right. Okay, so this has come to the center, and I think this is complete. Okay, so now the announcement section is complete, and if I zoom out this, so you can see we have spacing on the left and on the right too, and this is parallel to this header container. So okay, so make it 100% zoom, and now we will add some hover effect over this, and I think we have done uh, enough work for this video, and we will add this in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.